Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the most asked question and requested dress length, the midi. The midi is one of fan favorite dress lengths. So before I talk about the midi dress and I show you some examples and I tell you how you can style this beautiful length, let's know about you guys. Where are you guys watching me from? If you're watching me live, because I love my live viewers, just say live and city or state you're watching me from. So you could say live Dallas, live Detroit, live Dubai, or even the country, live UAE, live UK, wherever you guys are watching me from. If you're watching me on replay, and I know a lot of you watch this video on replay, just say replay and the place you're watching me from. I love to see those geographical locations pop up in the feed, so don't be shy. And for all the viewers, I have this fantastic poll uh, that I'm activating now. Do you love wearing a midi length dress? Or do you love wearing midi length dresses? Yes, no, I'm not sure. Maybe we can make you sure now after this very short video. You would know what exactly is a midi length. I would show you some examples, and like I'm wearing one, and then you get to choose if you like that length or not, and also how age appropriate it is. So let's do that and do respond to the poll. Do you love wearing a midi length? And I'm just wearing, you can see I'm wearing this dress. Tanjeer ombre midi dress is the dress I'm wearing right now. But hey, if we haven't met before, hi, my name is Sandhya Garg. You may or may not remember me from Project Runway season 13, your favorite Tim Gunn and Heidi Klum fashion reality show. I was on season 13. We had the Rainway Challenge, we had a lot of fun, we had a lot of drama. So if you love Project Runway, you need to go watch season 13. It is amazing. And if you or your friends and family love the show, do tag them in comments below. Just say at the rate and your friend's name. And Facebook, YouTube will make it a point, Instagram will make it a point to show this video to them so they can appreciate some fashion advice and appreciate your fashion forwardness as well. And don't forget to follow my page, Sandhya Garg, label Sandhya Garg on Facebook, Sandhya Garg 11 on Instagram, sandhyagarg.com on TikTok. And I'm sure you can, if you love fashion and if you are wondering what I am doing after Project Runway season 13, because a lot of people think, what are Project Runway contestants doing? Go to my website, my namesake website, which is Sandhya Garg, SandhyaGarg.com, and see all the shenanigans I have been up to since doing the show, and all the gorgeous designs and fashion and color that Project Runway is known for. If I'm continuing that or not. Hint, I am. So let's start with a midi dress. Now, what is exactly a midi dress? A midi dress is a dress that for you it is below your knee but ends above your ankle. So the dress ends, or the dress hem is between your knee and above your ankle. Below the knee, above the ankle, this region, this region, wherever it ends, it's a midi length dress. Now, some dresses could be a maxi dress or a mini dress depending on how tall you are, and the same dress can be a midi dress for someone else depending on how tall you are. Now, I am 5'5" and I'm wearing the Tanjeer ombre midi dress. Now, in the photo, when you click on the link that I'm featuring here, it ends just below the knee for the model, because the model is 5'8" tall and I'm 5'5". So for me, it exactly ends 3" below my knee, rendering on me to become a beautiful kaftan style midi dress. Now that's the length on me. I wish I can show it to you right here. Well, the horizontal video doesn't support it, but I will be putting some photos and links to the dress that I'm wearing so you can see it on the model and understand what a midi dress is. Now, midi dress is not only stylish, comfortable, conservative, more like, like comfortably conservative. It's elegant, it's classy, it's timeless. It's kind of, you can do it to a casual occasion, to a formal occasion. The dress length, is kind of super versatile. You can do it with shoes, with heels, with sandals. The dress style itself can decide the formality, but the length renders itself super versatile and super fun. I will mention that, when I was younger, when I was in my teens and my 20s, I did not do a midi dress. I felt a mini dress was more age appropriate because I got to look cuter with a short dress showing off my legs. And it's not like I don't like to show off my legs now. I just find a midi dress to be an added shape and added length to my wardrobe. It is a super flattering and chic length to enjoy yourself in. You could do it as a wedding guest, to a wedding party, to a rehearsal dinner, to a dinner party, to a date, to a baby shower, to a reception. The options are endless. To an art gallery, super chic. And kaftan style midi dresses are always in fashion. One of the most searched dresses too. Let me take a twirl for you. You could do your hair beautifully, do some nice earrings, and that's all you would need for a stunning midi dress. So that's what exactly a midi dress length is. Now, I think if you are around 5'5", 5'4", a 46 to 48 is, like a perfect 46 inch from hem, from HSP, which is highest shoulder point, to the end of the dress. If it is a 46, 48 inch, then it's the perfect midi dress for you, because that's how it falls on me. If you are 5'8", 5'9", it would become like a knee length or a kind of above the knee dress for you with that length. But if you are an average height like me, then go for 46 plus if you're looking for a midi length. That's how it works perfectly. Now let me show you the dress I'm wearing, example number one. Not like I haven't shown it to you, but let me talk about the details of this dress. I'm wearing Tanjeer kaftan style ombre midi dress. It is a two-tone shaded stunning satin dress. It does have super cute pockets. I am also, I think, sharing, yeah, the link of the dress. So if you want to get this dress, add it to cart, initiate checkout, or just shop this dress, click that link after the live or right now, and you're more than welcome. If in doubt, pick a size up, because this dress is fully lined and I usually end up between medium to large, but I'm doing a large in this dress. I absolutely love the sleeves, how chic they are. There is little volume here, and then it kind of becomes this blues on loose oversized kind of a sleeve detail. It's super comfy. It fits like a glove on me, and I always love these stunning band collars or half mandarin collar. Nice sleek v-neck. If I wanted, I could do something in my neck with it, but I've kind of gone with chunky statement earrings and a nice silver ring. So that's how I've styled it. I would just do it with nice silver sandals if I wanted to dress it up, or just flat tie-up sandals if I wanted to be somewhat semi-formal or casual. There is a cute bow at the waist. I feel so cute, and of course the pockets for my small things if I want to put in the dress, and they're like placed so well right here. The dress has cute slits and a nice shaped hem, which gives it that certain je ne sais quoi that you want from a cute dress. And the fabric is super soft. I love it. It's such a beautiful spring summer dress. Absolutely gorgeous, and hitting me at the midi length just right. So that's dress number one, your midi dress example. And I can also show it to you on the hanger right here. That's the dress. See how cute it is. And it's got this little transparency in the sleeves that I absolutely love. Super comfortable for burning hot weather outside. So if you are in New York, if you are in Florida or California, such a perfect dress for you guys. Now let me show you dress number 2, and it's on this stunning lady right here. It's the Casablanca midi dress in pink and white stripes. This is 100% cotton dress with a stretch in it. It's got a two-way stretch through lycra, and such a cute dress. Got this little flower details. The dress kind of layers, has a wrap effect. It's a faux wrap blouson effect at the waist and a tie-up to kind of hide that elastication at the waist that gives you that shape. But this wrap is so stunning. It's so chic, and then when you walk, it's super stylish. And it's got this asymmetrical sleeve style. It's kind of off shoulder with a spaghetti strap. It's one of my best selling shapes as well. And it's a 3/4 sleeve again. It's a super, super cute dress. We have the flowers going on the hem as well. So I encourage you to click on the link and go check out this dress on the website to see how cute this dress is. The fabric is so nice. It's this pure cotton. You can hear the crunch. Can you hear the crunch? It's just like such a good feel good fabric when you put it on. 100% cotton, 12 weight. It's a medium weight with stretch and a tie up. Super stunning Casablanca midi dress. Now you can do this stunning dress to a party, a vacation, a cruise. It will look so good at a cruise dinner, at one of your vacation when there's the resort casual is your dress code. It's such a perfect dress for that. If you are going to Europe or Paris for a vacation, this is the dress to go for. You can combine it with a nice hat, and or even white shoes, white sneakers. I love those looks when you do a dress with these nice cute flat sneakers. So that's the dress for it. Casablanca striped dress number 2. Again, midi length. It's kind of high low, so it goes above your knee on one side and longer on the other side, but it still kind of qualifies as an asymmetrical midi length dress. That's dress number 2. Now let me show you dress number 3, and I'm gonna feature the link to Habibi halter. Now it says maxi dress, but again, if you are 5'6", 5'7" plus, Habibi halter dress is a midi dress, and I did it as a 5, and I wore the dress in size medium, and it ended right at my ankle, so it was a maxi for me. But if you're 5'6", 5'7", Habibi dress is a midi dress for you, and it's such a cute dress. One of my favorite. It's from the latest collection. All these are inspired from the city of Fez in Morocco. It's an old world charm, vintage, stunning city with so much craft and culture. So that's where the print and the fabric and the designs are inspired from. You can see the stunning cute palm trees, the monkeys from the atlas, and the mosaics that Morocco is so known for. Oh my god, if you go to Morocco and if you don't see these stunning mosaics, well, I don't know what to tell you. They're absolutely mind blowing. This dress has a stunning halter neck with this cute tie up in the back where it goes crisscross. I've just done my own thing right here, but you tie it crisscross and it goes in the back. You show off your stunning back in this dress, and it's an A-line dress, so it's such a fun shape. I mean, it's so comfy. I could do this dress every day, all day. And again, you could do it with sneakers, you could do it with heels, with sandals, with flats. Super versatile. Look at all the colors that you could pick from here to accessorize. You could do red, pink, a blush pink, a blue, a purple. It's just green. So many options. Such a cute dress. And something about patterned dresses that I really like is because I'm a mom of two. You drop something on them, nobody can tell. It kind of hides and camouflages the messes. So I love printed dresses, and a lot of time you can get away with not even ironing them. So that's dress number 3, Habibi dress, a perfect midi maxi length. So when you plan your wardrobe, always go for different lengths. You want to have a bunch of mini dresses, a bunch of midi dresses, a bunch of maxi dresses, because that's how you build your wardrobe in a holistic way. And no matter what you feel like, you can dress accordingly and style your clothing. Now, I in this video I have we've spoken about what a midi dress length is. I've shown you a few examples and how you can style a midi dress. Now, if you have any questions, don't forget to put them in comments below. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to follow Label Sandhya Garg on Facebook, Sandhya Garg 11 on Instagram, sandhyagarg.com on TikTok, where I bring you fashion advice. I talk about high quality textile fashion, colors, travel prints, and fashion trends. And I love to see you guys here. And if you have any fashion specific questions or project runway questions, don't be shy. Put them in comments below and I will answer all of them. Thank you so much for joining. Mwah. Do go to my website, check out my work, and if you like something, tell me how did you like my work. If you did not like my work, tell me that you did not like it. DM me. I read all your messages and comments. So thank you so much for joining me. I'm so grateful that you guys took your time to come see me. Thank you. Mwah. Bye.